Look at how foggy it is today. Good morning, everybody. It is currently 8:12 and it's just me up this morning. The boys are still asleep. I made sure to wake up a little bit earlier so that I can have some quiet time and just enjoy a nice cozy morning. And I also wanted to try these high protein coffees that I got from Chike. I got 5 different flavors. I've been seeing this coffee all over Instagram and I was like, you know what, I want to go ahead and give it a try, see if I like it. The sampler comes with the mocha iced coffee, cinnamon original caramel, and vanilla. So I think this morning I'm gonna go ahead and try this cinnamon iced coffee. So these have 2 espresso shots, 20 grams of protein, and 1 gram of sugar. And then once I figure out which one I really like, then I will buy like the big version of it. You add 10 ounces of water or milk, whatever you prefer, and then you just shake it and drink it. I'm gonna go ahead and add the milk. And then the coffee. It smells good. That one tastes good. Yum. I feel like protein coffee is so delicious. I like that protein taste. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and make myself some toast, put a little bit of avocado, and just sit down and watch some Harry Potter. Yeah, that was pretty good. Anyways, today we're gonna go to the pumpkin patch and I'm so excited. I've been wanting to go since October 1st, but the weather has been a little crazy. It's either been raining or like really cold. And then we were gonna go last week because it was like really good weather, but that's when Nico got sick and that's when I got sick, so we didn't end up going. So now today is literally the perfect day. It's gonna be like 68 degrees, which to me is like the perfect weather to go to the pumpkin patch because it's not too cold, but it's not too warm. I am still kind of like sick. Like I have like a little cough and a stuffy nose, but I can handle going to the pumpkin patch. And Nico's feeling a lot better. So we were like, we need to go today. I just wanted to make sure we got to the pumpkin patch before the boys go back to school, because once they go back to school I have 2 field trips to chaperone. One's gonna be with Noel at a pumpkin patch and then one's gonna be with Aiden at Connor Prairie, which is this like really cool place here in Indy. Hi Nico. But anywho, that is the plan. I just wanted to get on here this morning and try this protein coffee with you guys. And I think I'm gonna order myself like the big kind once I taste them all and figure out which one I like best.
Much later.
It is time to get ready. It's currently 1:09, so I thought I would start getting ready and I would include the get ready with me part in this video because I know a lot of you do love the get ready with me clips and all of that. And I had to make myself another coffee. This one's the caramel one and I think this one's the winner. It tastes really good and I put less milk, which made it even more flavorful. So yeah, I made another one because I'm just feeling so sleepy. I feel like when I have cold symptoms, I always feel like really drowsy. So I was like, I need more espresso in my body. But anyways, as I get ready, I'm gonna be watching Practical Magic on my computer. let's get started. I'm gonna start off by just cleaning my face. Love you, Puppy. Okay, Puppy. Okay, good job.
What is this?
My charger. I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible in 460.
I don't want you filling their heads with any of your nonsense, okay?
Not me.
So, Coaster, just go to Jilly and the children will be fine. The nudity is entirely optional. Hey, go back to your pillow.
And now I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette.
Jilly?
I love this so much.
Jilly. Jilly, honey, just forget that it...
Yeah.
Were really bad guys. Before they could sell them or buy. Scrap it.
Now I'm adding some blush.
Thank you.
Now I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Clear Brow and Lash Mascara.
Jilly, are you sure?
I think we should wait for the aunt.
Right as light, mighty hectate, make it right.
I haven't put lashes on in a really long time, so I'm excited.
Second from the top of the phone tree will be... Wasn't me. With you.
And I got these lashes off of Shein. Oh, oh no.
Not to worry, we'll protect them.
Case video. Get rid of it. You better call the aunts now.
Clean up your own mess.
I'm pretty much done.
No, leave us alone! Leave us alone! No, Jilly, stop! Stop! Stop!
I'm gonna use LA Colors Biggie Lash.
Is she rising? Go inside, take care of the kids.
I'm gonna spray my face one more time with the e.l.f. Dewy Mist.
Kind of early for roses, isn't it?
Can I help you with something?
She's around. She might have some information on a case I'm working on. All right.
These are so cute.
I guess.
Why don't you come inside?
Cute. Here is my pumpkin patch OOTD. And it's literally perfect for today's weather because it's not too cold and it's not too hot. I actually wanted to put on some tennis shoes, but I feel like they're gonna get dirty. So I was like, let me just put on my boots. So that is the outfit. We're just waiting on Daddy. How cute is this purse? It's literally so cute. So I got this purse at Target. It was only $20. It's so cute and so simple. And then I got this really cute red wallet from Target as well. And this one was, I believe, like $8. I thought it was cute to have a red wallet, little black purse. Hi, handsome. Is Woody going to the pumpkin patch?
Yeah.
Okay. It's my second handsome man. Here's my third handsome man. And there's my fourth handsome man.
Daddy! Woo, woo, woo.
Let's go. We're gonna go to Waterman's Family Farm. We always go to Lark Ranch, but this time around, I just felt like going to a smaller one. Anyways, vámonos.
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 Vámonos. We're here.
They have so much big pumpkins.
We have one of those.
Yeah.
Look at those big ones.
Yeah.
Remember this.
Got a wristband.
Gas one?
There you go. at Woody. Hey.
Woody's over there. Say Woody.
Hi there.
Look at that
Oh God, we got a big one right here.
Hey guy.
Hey.
What's up?
What's up, big guy?
Noel was like, ew, his teeth are dirty.
They need to brush their teeth. And mommy, he licked me. I was just staring at the sky, daydreaming, and then he just came up to my finger and licked me.
Yeah. They want some loving. This is their favorite part.
Hey, look at that tooth!
Whoa.
Look at that.
Eric went to go get some food so we can feed them.
Look, Aiden!
We got the food.
Hey, put it like this. Put it like this.
Look,
Nico,
they're hungry.
come here. Ven.
Eat it!
Mira, Nico, ni siquiera tiene miedo.
Ow!
No.
Did you get bit?
Look.
Be careful. Oh my gosh, they're attacking Nico.
No,
Hey,
do
one by
this.
one.
Do this. Hold on.
One by one.
Oh my gosh.
Come here, Nico. Okay, come here. Hold on.
Whoa! On the cake! I got you.
Be careful.
Yay!
They're about to go in there.
Come on.
Don't get scared.
Everybody's in at one time, okay? All right. All the way down my street.
Oh my god! They love Eric! Oh my Nico's done. He's like, I'm out of here. Never again. Me and Nico are hanging out over here by this huge tractor. Where are you? It's literally the most perfect day to be at the pumpkin patch. So pretty. Boys are now here playing in the playground. Hi, puppy. Oh, Aiden, are you okay? Bring it back. Oh my gosh. Noel, you can't be there. Nico, bájate de ahí. Boys. We're gonna go into the corn maze now. Boys! Where are you?
Corn! Corn!
Corn!
Corn! Corn!
This will be so creepy at night. Wait! I'm gonna go sit down over here because my feet already hurt. The boys are right there. Go! Oh my gosh! Babe! You should have told me. I'm ready to take these lashes off. Oh my gosh. You guys almost ran me over. That looks scary. Are you okay? Come here, Ben. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go in here.
Hi, Daddy.
Oh my god. I'm getting claustrophobic. Oh, nope. No, thank you. Nope. Backing up. Woo, it's too tiny in there. Noel se levantó y se pegó. You good? Lemon shake up.
Thank you.
Here's the water. I'll make the shake up.
Thank you.
Oh, that's a shake.
It's good?
Mommy, this tastes so different.
It does?
I taste it. It has no caffeine.
Well, yeah.
This.
If it had caffeine, I wouldn't let you have it. Oh, got my lemon shake up. Oh, that's not a swing.
What is this
That's
for?
just to take a picture. No, that's not a swing. The sand area over here. Oh my god, Nico loves sand. Aiden's like, I'm too big to be there. All right, let's taste the lemon shake up. Oh my goodness. I love lemonade so much. Let me taste root beer. I don't think I've ever had root beer. Ew.
Tastes really good. It's like mint.
I don't like root beer.
How it feel?
Those are my favorite. So good.
It was sour.
Just left me? It's a bucket. Nico, bájate de ahí, papi. The dinosaur. He's alive. Now we're gonna do the hay ride. No fighting, boys.
Step right on up there, folks. You're fine. There's room. I'm not that fat yet.
Over here, puppy. Over here. And we're on. Bumpy ride.
Stand up. Look how much pumpkins we're taking.
I know. Be careful.
Whoa! I got it.
Okay.
Hey!
Oh no, this is not a slide, Nico.
I want this one.
Oh my gosh.
Can somebody help me with this?
Oh, this looks so pretty. Love it.
That's one I got. This is a perfect one.
Okay, look for the perfect
I might
one.
stick with this one if I find
Oh,
another
that
one.
was pretty. I like it.
You ready?
Let me see.
Watch
Wow.
them clean it.
Ahora, mira.
Yeah, that
Esta.
one's cute too. There's a lot of really pretty ones. Oh, look at that one. This one's nice. Look at this one. Noel found a ladybug.
His wing is broken.
Oh, it is. Aww. Poor little ladybug. Noel loves bugs. Like this green one. It's different. It's like half green, half orange.
Perfect.
Yeah.
I like
I got the
it.
perfect size.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Bumpy ride. Yeah, which one is it?
That one.
This one?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go. Last activity. Hi, Sophie. Oh, Aiden, you have hay on your hair. Ew!
my hands.
You guys need to wash your hands. We are finally home, and I've been waiting for this. Ooh. That feels great. It was a fun day at the pumpkin patch. Great weather. We got the most cutest pumpkins and everybody was good. Now I'm going to take a shower, put on some comfy clothes, and lay down and watch TV. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we're gonna save the pumpkin carving and pumpkin painting for another video because girl, I am exhausted. Anywho, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.